This is Electrical Awareness. My name is Jeroboam Kimtai. I welcome you as always to tune in this channel. For those that have subscribed, I say thank you. For those that have not subscribed, consider subscribing and actually subscribe to this channel. Like and share to friends so that they benefit from what we are benefiting from in this wonderful channel. Welcome and consider and be sure to watch this conversation to the end. It is a very short conversation this evening, and in the last episode, I promised to demonstrate and show pictures of the plugs, and actually, I've gone an extra mile of doing the plug and the kind of socket. They'll be side by side showing the plug and the socket that can be plugged in. Now, before we continue once more, I want to extend my greetings to all of you out watching there, all of you out there watching me and helping me to promote this channel. Okay, this channel is going miles, it's continuing, it is growing just because of you watching this content. And I am assuring you that I'll be creating this interesting content just for you. And I am going to show these pictures, and as we continue, I would wish that you ask questions and suggest topics on where we are supposed to be sharing from when it comes to electricity. Remember, we are dealing with domestic matters, domestic electricity, and nothing else more than domestic electricity. I have been doing some other things other than domestic electricity, but the main thing is domestic. So I may share outside this domestic use of electricity, but remember, we are concentrating on domestic activity. I want now to dive into our topic today about plugs and sockets, socket outlets and plugs. And I'll start by reminding us what a plug and a socket is. So let me begin by a socket. A socket is a place where a plug is inserted. Okay. And then this socket now becomes an outlet because it has electricity that is supposed to be tapped into by the plug to the machine. All right. Now, number two, we have a plug. A plug is an electrical device that supplies electrical current from the socket outlet to the machine, to electronic machines, and so on. So a plug is a device, electrical device that supplies electricity or electrical current from the socket outlet to the machine. And so even as I am going to show you the pictures again, you are welcome to watch this channel, you are welcome to share, you are welcome to subscribe, and you are welcome to like and suggest to other people about this YouTube channel. Thank you so much because of these people that are promising me to take this a notch higher by supporting. And so without much ado, let's go into it. Number one, let me show you about uh, this kind of a socket outlet and a plug. And so we have this plug that is called type A. Type A. Okay, you will have to see it there. It is showing type A, and also alongside it you will also see the socket. The socket that type A is plugged in. Have you watched it well? Have you seen it well? Right. We go to type B. Type B plug alongside its kind of socket. Okay, can you see it? Yes, you may want to see the difference, so you'll watch it slowly and go back to type A and see the difference. Okay, we go to type C. Type C kind of a plug. Okay, for those people who use this kind of phones, I am talking about the plug, not a type C charger. This is a type C plug for electricity alongside its socket outlet. Yeah, thank you. Let's go to type D. type D kind of plug and socket is there for your consumption. Wherever you are, if you can find this kind of a picture and you can see this kind of a picture, maybe you have this kind of a plug, then today you have known its name, the plug and the socket. That one is the type D. We have type E. I will not show it today for some reason. Yes. Okay, we go to type F now. Type F is this that is showing. Right, this is type F. Type F plug and its socket. You will have to see it. Yes, it's showing right now. That's wonderful. I know some people are curious enough to start seeing the difference. Do you use this kind of plug and socket in your country, in your jurisdiction? Yes or no? Okay, we go to type G. Type G, in our country, we use this so much. We use this so much in our country. So this is type G, the plug and the socket. It is showing. Yeah, it has the earth, the live, and the neutral terminals. This is type G. This is what we always use in our nation, Kenya. Yeah, we identify with this. We go to type H. Type H is here now. Type H, that's kind of a plug and its socket. Okay, you can type in the comment section and show and tell me if you use this in your country. So try and suggest and write this and tell me whether you use it in your country. We go to type I. Type I is another one, the plug and the socket. The plug and the socket of type I. Yes, type I. If you are using it in your nation, can you comment about it? Type I, plug and socket. We go to type J. Type J, plug and socket. Yeah. Can you type there in the comment and show and tell me if you have this kind of a plug and a socket in your country, in your state, in your area. Okay, we have type K, which I'm not going to show today. So lastly, let me show you type L of a plug and socket. Type L and plug of a plug and socket. Okay, so thank you. Now, of all this, I want you to type in the comment section and suggest which one has a fuse in it. And then in the next program, I'll be able to give a suggestion of which one is more important, which one is more safer to use in all the plugs that I have demonstrated and shown to you today. Thank you so much for having me in this program and for enjoying this show and for seeing these pictures that I've shown you today. Otherwise, thank you and let's meet in the next episode.